we would like to know that what kind of triangle is this, or in this special problem we would like to check whether the triangle is isosceles or not. To check it, we will go to calculate all three lengths PQ, QR and next one is the RP. PQ, QR, RP. All three distances will be calculated with the help of the distance formula. So if we calculate PQ, the answer of the length PQ is x2 minus x1, that is 6 minus 5 whole square, plus y2 minus y1, that is 4 minus 2, that is 4 plus 2 whole square. The length PQ is coming out to be root of 6 minus 5, 1 whole square is 1, 4 plus 2 6, this is 36. So length of PQ is root of 37 units. First length PQ is coming out to be root 37 units. Now QR, the length of QR is coming out to be, again we will apply the distance formula, x2 minus x1 square, that is 7 minus 6 square, plus y2 minus y1 square, that is minus 2 minus 4 whole square. The QR length is coming out to be 7 minus 6, 1, and minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6, its whole square is plus 36. So length QR become root of 37. This length is also root 37 units. Now we will calculate the third length RP. The length RP will be calculated again by using the distance formula, x2 minus x1 square, that is root of 7 minus 5 square, 7 minus 5 whole square, plus minus 2 minus of minus 2, that is plus 2 whole square. So length RP is coming out to be 7 minus 5, 2 whole square is 4, minus 2 plus 2, 0 whole square is 0. So the length RP is coming out to be what? 2. Square root of 4 is 2. We are observing here two lengths are root 37 and root 37. The length RQ is equals to PQ. If two sides of a triangle are equal, we say it is isosceles. So triangle is what? Isosceles. So this way we can use the distance formula to check whether triangle is isosceles, equilateral, scalene, right isosceles or right angle. You can go for practice of some more questions to apply to application of this formula of the distance in deciding the nature of triangle. Now we will apply the same formula in quadrilaterals and also in finding the areas and also for proving the collinearity. Now we will discuss some more applications of this distance formula, like how to decide that the given 3 points lies in a line or meaning by are collinear. If we take one example, let us suppose there are 3 points A 1, 1, second point is B, suppose coordinates are 3, 3, and another is suppose 5, 5. See how we can say using the distance formula that these 3 points are collinear or not. As and when we take any 3 points in a plane, there are only two situations. Either a triangle will form or triangle will not form. So if a triangle will form, then points are not collinear, and if triangle is not forming, points are collinear. Now the question is how we can say. If I take one very different example, suppose this is the point P, this point is Q, this point is R, this distance is 3 units. Suppose somebody says distance between PQ is 3 units, distance between Q and R, suppose RQ distance is 5, and one has told you the total distance PR is 8 units. So what we conclude here? We have concluded that the PQ plus RQ is equals to PR. So if sum of two smaller distances, that is PQ plus QR, is same as the final distance QR, we say points are collinear. If it is not so, points are not collinear. So we will apply the same funda here, that is AB, BC and AC. We will calculate first the distance between the point A and B. So distance AB here is coming out to be, using distance formula, 3 minus 1 to its whole square is 4. 3 minus 1 whole square is 4. So answer of AB is 4 plus 4, 8, can be written as 2 root 2. Now we will go to calculate BC. The distance BC is what? Again 5 minus 2, 5 minus 3, 2, that is whole square 4. y2 minus y1, 5 minus 3, 2, whole square is again what? 4. So answer of BC is root 8. Answer of BC is coming out to be 2 root 2. AB distance is 2 root 2. BC distance is also 2 root 2. Now we would like to check whether the distance AC. So distance AC is coming out to be 5 minus 1, 4, whole square 16. 5 minus 1, 4, whole square 16. 16 plus 16, 32, which can be written as 4 root 2. If AC distance is equals to sum of AB and BC, we will say points are collinear. Here from these calculations, AB is 2 root 2, BC is 2 root 2, AC is 4 root 2. Answer of AB plus BC, that is 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2, is coming out to be 4 root 2. This is 4 root 2 and which is equal to the length AC. So what conclusion we have drawn? That distance AC is equals to AB plus BC. This is showing the betweenness, that is B lies between A and C, hence points are collinear. So directly we can say the distance formula is also applicable to check whether 3 points are collinear or not. As example have been shared with you, that the greatest distance must be the sum of other two distance, and using the betweenness concept we can say points are collinear or not. Now we will discuss the use of distance formula for finding the areas and nature of quadrilaterals.